So I decided to just make me an omelette for lunch because I don't want anything else. So all I have is some smoked salmon, lovely smoked salmon, and I'm also going to add some cheese. So delicious. Right, and now we're going to fold it over. Here we go. He is a bit stubborn. There we go. Finally, he's over. And now we're going to lift him up. And we're going to take him to the plate. And there we have it. It took me 10 minutes to make a snazzy, fazzy, lovely, oh so delicious omelette the Shen delicious way. Till my next video, I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.